and welcome back. Firstly, can I say, could you please like, share or subscribe to my channel so I know that you are watching and you are enjoying the lessons, and then I will do more. That would be really good. Thank you very much. So today we are looking at optical illusions, so let's go. Okay, first things first, what you need for this activity is a art pad or some paper. You need some black pens or paint, pencil and a ruler. So first things first, what you are going to do, you're going to get your pad. You're going to draw a square in the middle here, okay, and then you are going to draw lines down. I've done 2 centimeters each space, lines down 2 centimeters apart, and then across the other side 2 centimeters across to make all squares around but not in the box. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. I'll just try and adjust the light a little, wiggle it around. So we've got that. We are then going to draw a square in the bottom left hand corner here, okay, and then we are going to then fill in squares here. So I'll come back to you when I've just done that so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so I have drawn my square in here, so I've made that 4 centimeters by 4 centimeters. What I've then done is I've drawn a line from the corner of the small square up to the corner of the larger square. Okay, and then I have done lines in the same angle across that side and then that side of the gap. What I'm now doing is I'm then going across this way to join the lines up here. So for example, this one will come across here to the centre diagonal, and then it will come down here. And then likewise the next one. And along here. Down here. Along there. Down here, and then that one there. Okay, so that's that done. So hang on a minute and I will just check this and then I will be back. Okay, so I'd made a mistake. I put the line in there where I didn't need to, so I've taken that out. So that's what it should look like. And then what we need to do is we need to get our black pen and then we just colour in every other square. So we'll do this one, that 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 one. Okay, so that's what we'll do there. Just as another thing, the last couple of lines here, they've got smaller so it looks like it's going away. All this will be black as well. Okay, so I'll start this and then I'll come back to you. Okay, so I'm just showing you what I've done so far. So I've started gridding that in and I've just marked each square that I need to colour black so I don't get in a muddle. Okay, so I shall continue with that and then I'll come back to you when I've finished. Okay, so there you have it. The only thing I have to do now is I have to just shade with a pencil some of these ones in there in the bottom to look like they are deep and at the bottom of a pit as such. So I'm just going to shade these ones in. It's really good to use the technique of just marking each square before you start, to see which ones you need to shade in, because it's really easy to forget yourself and then going shade in the wrong one. So it's going to just get lighter as we go up. There's less shading. Just make these a little darker. Like so. Smudge them a bit with my finger. A little bit of shading here, not much. Okay, so there you have it. That's my optical illusion. If I do this, it looks as if, where is it? There, it can disappear in. There we go. So, hope you've enjoyed that. It's reasonably easy. This bit's a little bit tricky. Just take your time to get the square there done, and then point to point there, and then come off with your other lines. Okay, if I turn that way around so you can see. So it's quite fun. In we go. Okay, so get drawing, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.